Myself, Sneha Wankar. I am going to explain literature survey, objectives, methodology, and hardware requirements. In literature survey, Lipikananda et al. Dasgupta suggested that Arduino control has been used and the proposed system changes its direction in two axes to trace the coordinate of sunlight by detecting change light intensity through light sensors. Hardware testing. The proposed system is done for checking the system ability to track and follow the sunlight in an efficient way. Dual axis solar tracking system superiority over single axis solar tracking. It comprises rotating cleaning brushes perpendicular to the axis of panel and a wiper system such that not only does it clean the panel but also clear the water. We conclude that we have implemented dual axis solar tracking system instead of single axis. To remove the dust, we use wiper mechanism to increase the efficiency of the solar panel. Next is the objectives. To detect the position of sun using Arduino. This system is based on the LDR sensor which uses the Arduino. Arduino is a family of 32-bit microcontroller. It is Atmega 328. The LDRs are used as a light comparator which compare the light and rotate the panel either clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. Next is a to clean the panel using wiper mechanism. When accumulated dust on the solar panel, then reduce the efficiency, so we use wiper to clean the panel. Third is to store the voltage by using inverter and use this power for different applications. When light gets off, loads automatically use power supply to the home appliances. Third is a methodology. Method of alignment. Tilting both axes, tilting on axis and rotating the other. Trackers directs solar panels or modules toward the sun. These devices change their orientation throughout the day to follow the sun's path to maximize energy capture. In dual axis, they continually face the sun because they can move in different directions. It is typically used to orient a mirror and redirect sunlight along a fixed axis toward a stationary receiver. Because these trackers follow the sun vertically and horizontally, they help obtain maximum solar energy generation. Next is the hardware components. In hardware components, solar panel, LDR sensor, DC motor, motor driver, Arduino Uno IC, inverter and servo motor. First is a solar panel. The most important part is the solar panel where the solar energy is converted to electricity for the others. Solar cells or PV cells rely on the photovoltaic effect to absorb the energy of the sun and cause current to flow between two positively charged layers. Second is a LDR sensor. Light dependent resistor is a sensor. A sensor is a device that measures a physical quantity and converts it into a signal. LDR is made up of a high resistance semiconductor. LDR resistance decreases with increasing light levels, typically greater than 1 megaohm when dark and less than 1 megaohm in high light level. Response time is 2 to 50 milliseconds. Third is a DC motor. In our project, we use two DC motor. DC motor, it is a device which converts a direct current into a mechanical work. DC motor 1 compare the voltage between LDR1 and LDR2. When LDR1 voltage is greater than LDR2, then panel rotate clockwise direction. When LDR2 is greater, then panel rotate anti-clockwise direction. DC motor 2 compare the voltage between LDR3 and LDR4. If LDR3 is voltage is greater than LDR4, then panel rotate clockwise direction, and when LDR4 is greater than LDR3, then panel rotate in anti-clockwise direction. Third is a motor driver. In our project, we use L293D motor driver IC. It is a 16-pin IC. The motor driver is a module for motors that allows you to control the working speed and direction of two motors simultaneously. This is designed to provide bidirectional drive current at voltage from 5 volt to 36 volt. Next is the Arduino Uno IC. In our project, Arduino is a family of microcontroller. It is a 28-pin IC, 14 digital pins, 6 PWM output pins and 6 analog pins. In our project we use 4 analog pins for the LDRs. Next is a 1 analog pin for the voltage and 4 output pins 3, 4, 5, 6 connected to the driver IC L293D. Next is the inverter. In our project, inverter converts the DC electricity from sources such as batteries or fuel cells to AC electricity. We use battery for saving the energy collected from the solar panel, and it is used in different applications. When light gets off, load automatically gives power supply to the home appliances. Also, in our project we use servo motor. Pin number 8 connected to the servo motor. It has a positionable shaft which usually is fitted with a gear. The motor is controlled with an electric signal which determines the amount of movement of the shaft. Servo motor connected to the wiper. When accumulated dust on the solar panel, it reduces the efficiency, so we use wiper to remove the dust.